Like, you can't even see my roots anymore unless I like part the Red Sea. Hey guys, what's up? It's Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in once again. How are you guys during this quarantine? Are you staying sane? Are you going insane? Is it driving you crazy? Are you bored yet? In today's video, I want to show you guys how you can refresh your old twist or your old braid. My spring twists are looking a bit old, a little crusty, dusty, if you know what I'm saying. It's a great protective style, but we got to keep it up, you know what I'm saying? It's only been 2 weeks, and as you can see, it's looking a bit frizzy, okay? Oh, hell no! Got a little bit of new growth. Tell me if I'm wrong, but back me up on this, okay? I feel like every time my braids or my twists or my hairstyles like freshly done, I get a lot of compliments from the black community. And then as soon as it hits that like 2 or 3 week mark, even a month old, I feel like that's when I get the most compliments from like non-black people. There's nothing wrong with that, it's fine, but it's just like, does anyone else get that, or is that just me? By the way, little shout out to Sierra Essentials for hooking your girl up with these jewelry pieces. Very bomb, very nice, very chic, very cute, classy, casual, ready for any event you're stepping into 2020, if we're gonna step into any event anymore. You should definitely check this out. I'm gonna leave her Instagram up here. She is opening the store really soon, so y'all better follow right now so you can be first in line when it opens, because I'm telling you, it's gonna pour in. When I tell you, this stuff is so cute. My friends ask me about this all the time, and I'm like, you didn't know? This is Sierra Essentials. Like, go grab you some. You want to know how I personally refresh my braids and twists after it's been a little bit frizzy, but I'm still trying to extend it just a little bit longer? Then keep on watching. I'm going to start by parting my hair down the middle, and then I'm going to tie the rest back. And once I have my hair divided in the middle, I'm going to part it again because I have 2 front rows, and put the second row on the back and pin it up. Now I'm just working with the front row. I'm going to take off all of my accessories, and I'm going to take off all the rubber bands at the roots as well. I was having trouble with this, so I just used scissors. My handy dandy craft scissors. Those are my go-tos. And then I untwist my twist all the way till I get to the root and take it out. So then I just take my Pro Ample styling gel. You can take any gel you have. It's just the gel I had on me. And then I'm going to take my toothbrush and I'm going to smooth out that section at the root. And that's like what really is going to make it look like I just redid my hair. Because that's what I'm going for. I want it to look super clean. I'm going to twist that up at the root just so I can get a good grip on it. And then I'm going to take my new rubber band and I'm going to tie it around about like 3 to 4 times. Because I don't want it too tight where I might like lose some baby hairs. Because trust me, that has happened before. And then I'm going to pull the middle taut. Now I'm just taking the hair that was originally in this twist and retwisting it back. This, by the way, is the first method where you're taking the hair extensions that are already in your twist that you originally twisted it with the first time around, and you undo it and just retwist it back with the same hair. I'm also taking some Shea Moisture just to moisturize the ends of that twist and my hair where they like connect, or where they're starting to end actually. And I don't think it's a waste to put product on fake hair, but what it's just gonna do is like, it's just gonna smooth out that section that you're twisting so that there's no like frizzies and flyaways, or at least minimize it as much as possible. I just twist the ends and cut off any like stray hairs, and that is it. Yes, yes, yes. I hope you guys can see this, because I can definitely tell the difference, like, between this and this. I really hope you can tell the difference because it's clean. I got a clean part in this face, okay? We're gonna be looking fresh this quarantine, alright? So here I go again, redoing another twist, but this time I'm using the second technique, which is using any extra hair extensions I have of that twisting hair from when I first did my twist. So I'm putting the gel on, I brush it back, I brush it through really my hair actually, because that's how I really get it to stay down, is I kind of use it as a comb almost in that small square section. And then I'm tying it off with a rubber band again. Please don't do this too tight because you can lose baby hairs. Like, I'm not even joking, I've had a bald spot on my edge before because I've done it too tight. Pull it through and then grab your hair that you have, if you have any left over, and you're going to do the exact same thing. I braid mine's at the root, by the way, because when I go in twisting it, it never like stays and it never like holds the twist, it just slides off. So I always have to go in and braid it first at the root, and I braid it down like maybe like 2 or 3 times, and then I start twisting it. And make sure you twist in the same direction with both fingers. So hopefully here you can start to see the difference, and you'll definitely see a difference as you keep going and doing more twists. I'm just going to be finishing up doing the front section of my head, the first row and the second row only, and that's it. Because if I do any more, it'll take me way too long, and I might as well just be, redoing the whole thing. But all we really want to do is touch it up so that it looks new, but it's really not. By the way, I was watching a TV show, if you see me making really funny faces, because it was so dramatic. Try to have fun while doing this if you can, because it definitely makes the time go by way faster. After a while, maybe I want to say an hour and a half, maybe 2 at the most, I am finally done. And it looks so good, and you can tell that it's redone because it looks fresh. Don't mind my awkward poses. I'm just being silly because there's a camera in front of me. Okay, so I just finished my hair. Took me a little bit because I was trying to take my time, so I made sure that it was really neat. I like the way it turned out, and if you want, you can do the front and the back. I only do the front because people are only gonna see the front, and also just because of really the time that we're in right now, being quarantined, like we ain't really going outside anyway. So like, who gonna see me? No one. Yeah, let me get into this close-up for you guys so you can see the magic. Get into this, get into her, serving you scalp. We love it. We love a fresh, low maintenance, low manipulation, protective style. Yes, we do. Natural hair, growing long, inches. Can you say it with me? Inches. All 2020, baby. There you have it. That's how to refresh your braids or your twist if they're starting to look a little old. Don't forget to put oil on your fresh new scalp. I mean, it's actually kind of dirty, like my hair is dirty, but on your scalp so you can get some more growth. Where them roots gonna be flourishing, girl, because when I take this protective style out, I better have inches down to my booty, okay? If you guys want like a video on like some natural hair essentials that I have, which would be kind of cool, let me know down in the comment section below. If you did find this video entertaining or you learned something new, like this video. Have a blessed week. Stay safe during quarantine, guys. From yours truly to you, I'm Amy, And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in